How to check incognito history in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In search bar, simply search what I have searched. You need to exactly copy paste it, which is Chrome, as you can see. After you do that, click on search. You'll find all these lists pop up. Click on Chrome History. After you click on Chrome History, in here you will be able to find your incognito history. And this is how to check incognito history in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.